Hi, Ruby. I would like to greet you happy birthday, my BFF, my sister. May God bless you and shower you with more blessings. I love you very much. And this is Leah. Say just happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ruby. We love you. And we wish you the best. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Wishing you a day with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday, Ruby, from California.
Happy birthday, Ruby. More birthdays to come. God bless and more troubles. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ruby. Wishing you a day filled with love and laughter. May this year bring you countless blessings and happiness. Enjoy your day!
Hi, Ruby. My beautiful kumare. Happy birthday. Miss and love you. Bye.
Ate Ruby, happy birthday. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Enjoy mo yung araw mo sa birthday mo. Maraming salamat at hindi po kayo nakakalimot sa amin. Hindi nyo po nakakalimutan kami ni Mama. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Ruby. God bless and more blessing. Good health. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ruby.
Happy birthday, Tita Ruby!
Hello, Ruby. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday at dumaan sa buhay mo. Maging masaya ka. Pati na yung mga bata. Huwag kang makalilimot. Ipagpapaminsan na lang kita dito sa pagsanghan. Masaya yata ang birthday mo ngayon eh. Nasaan na kayo?
Hello, Dean. Na-surprise ka ba? Oh, happy birthday mo pala ngayon. So, we wish you happiness, continuous success. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Sa happy birthday ulit. Sana magkita ulit tayo pag uwi mo. At salamat sa lahat ng mga binibigay mo, and thank you for the friendship. Bye! Happy birthday ulit!
Hello guys, I hope that all of you up there are okay. We have a dance presentation and greetings to the birthday girl from Doha, Qatar.
Happy birthday, Manang Ruby!